A ver, Mauricio, Mauricio.
Where's the tomato?
Mauricio. Uy, qué chulo. Cómete el tomato. Show the tomato.
Mama.
Show us the tomato.
Mama.
Please. Here.
Mama.
Look, show the tomato. Show the tomato. Uy, te caes. Here. Oh, look. Mauricio, you're eating the tomato. No, I don't want it. Give it to Yaya.
No, thank you.
Here, show us that you know how to drink out of a straw. Good job. What are you doing with the tomato?
No.
Show us what you're doing.
Mama.
Grab the tomato.
It's cold.
What you got? Where's the tomato?
Mama.
What are you doing with it? Tomato.
Mama.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say it again. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.